Yellow spinners, Alex Sukhov is here, you're on Pen Stock, and today we're gonna break down this beauty. It is an intermediate combo, and to learn it you should already master triple infinity and finger pass reverse. This is a complex combo and I advise you to save this video to your educational playlist on YouTube, so you could easily return to it as you learn this combo part by part. So, we start with simple infinity. And when the pen makes one full trick and returns to starting position, you should switch the finger, index to middle, just like that. And when you hold it between thumb and middle, make infinity in slots T2 to 3. Then again, we switch the fingers, now from middle to ring, and make infinity in slot 3-4. Probably this one you would want to practice a little. Infinity to 3-4. Make sure to do it nice and smooth. The pen should move freely in 3-4. You may want to bend your ring finger a bit to give some room for moving. Now repeat all this part and master it. After that, come back to this video and we will continue. Alright, now we're with the pen in slot T3, forward to the floor, and need to do wiper in this slot. And as pen goes down, switch the fingers. You should replace ring with index finger and quickly place ring finger from another side of the grip, replacing thumb. This movement took some time for me to get. It is not difficult, but you should practice it for some time to learn how to perform it nice and smooth. The main thing is, when you switch position of your ring finger, it should move pretty fast from one side of the grip to another. So, now the pen is in 1-3, looking up. Make another wiper in this slot, and when the pen goes down, put pinky under it, so the mod lands on this finger, like gets stopped by it. For 1/10 of a second, mod would be placed between 1, 3 and 4. At this point, take index away and raise mode with pinky. Alright, let's repeat these linkages. Wiper T3, grabbing in T1, at the same time we switch position of ring finger, raising the mod in 1-3, wiper 2-3-4. And now we make reversed passes holding the pen by its grip only. That's a wiper combo after all. If you have mastered finger pass, it is not going to be difficult to do, but most likely passes would look a bit jumpy. At this point you may test how many JEB is within you. Smoother you do it, cooler it looks. You know, JEB is all about maximum smoothness. Okay, we make passes from 3-4 to 2-3 and end up in 1-2. The pen looks up, now make wiper in this slot and stop the pen's movement with the ring finger. For a moment the pen is going to be placed in this position, between 1, 2 and 3. Move away your index and raise the mod. Let's repeat this part. Smooth finger pass, reverse from 3-4 to 2-3, end up in 1-2, wiper in 1-2 to 2-3. Great! Now we make pass reverse from 2-3 to 1-2, but instead of doing it vertically, we make it at a certain angle, a bit closer to horizontal position. So the pen makes rotation counterclockwise while passing, and when it gets to 1-2, we continue rotation, doing charge reverse in this slot, holding the pen by grip with most of its part looking down. After you do full charge reverse in 1-2 palm down, turn your wrist to palm side and take the mod in T1 at writing position. Practice this part separately. Pass reverse to 3-1-2, charge reverse 1-2 and land in writing position. Okay, now let's repeat the whole combo to consolidate learning. Infinity T1, switching fingers to T2, switching again to T3, Infinity in 3-4, switching from T3 to T1, fast shifting ring finger under the grip and grabbing the mod in 1-3, Wiper, land the mod by pinky, raise it and do finger pass reverse from 3-4 to 1-2, Wiper in 1-2 to 2-3, rotating pass reverse 2-3-1-2, charge reverse and writing position. I hope you like this combo the same way I did. If you want me to break down its second part, leave a like and comment below this video. I will know that you're interested in if we will gather 40 likes under this video on YouTube, and I will make the sequel to it with the great ending. Today I used Dr. ACT doing this combo, and it is a great universal mod and it fits wipers very well. To make it more JEB-like, you may use single-capped unbalanced mod, such as 7G3 for example. Don't forget to visit penstock.net, there you may find these mods or any mod you will like or want to spin, with the fixed price for delivery all over the world, and also free delivery for bigger orders wherever you live. Subscribe to this channel and push the bell to make sure you don't miss premieres, live streams, new links and combos. Share this video with your friends, let them know about our little underground world of pen spinning. May the style be with you! Bye!